Hyaluronic acid is a game-changer when it comes to hydration. This powerhouse ingredient helps retain moisture, giving your skin that plump, healthy glow while reducing fine lines and dryness. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 hyaluronic acid serums from trusted brands: La Roche-Posay, Vichy, SkinCeuticals, Drunk Elephant, and Paula's Choice. Whether you're tackling dehydration or looking for an anti-aging boost, these serums have got you covered. Let's dive into the details of these hydration heroes. Kicking off our list at number 1, La Roche-Posay. The La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a dermatologist-recommended formula that combines hyaluronic acid with vitamin B5 to deliver intense hydration and restore skin elasticity. This serum is perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Key features: it contains 2 types of hyaluronic acid, high molecular weight for surface hydration and low molecular weight to penetrate deeper layers of the skin. Vitamin B5 aids in skin repair and enhances the serum's soothing properties. Benefits and usage: the serum visibly plumps the skin, reduces fine lines, and boosts radiance. Apply 2 to 3 drops morning and evening after cleansing and toning, followed by your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. Usability: it's lightweight, non-sticky texture absorbs quickly, making it suitable for layering under sunscreen and makeup. The fragrance-free formula ensures comfort for those with sensitive skin. Durability: the airtight packaging maintains the potency of the ingredients, ensuring long-lasting results with regular use. Visible improvements in hydration and texture can be noticed within a week of consistent application. In the second spot, we have Vichy. The Vichy Mineral 89 Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a lightweight gel-like serum enriched with 89% Vichy volcanic water and natural origin hyaluronic acid. It's designed to fortify and hydrate the skin barrier for a healthy, glowing complexion. Key features: this minimalist formula contains only 11 ingredients, making it hypoallergenic and free from parabens, fragrance, and alcohol. It's tested by dermatologists and suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the serum provides an instant hydration boost, strengthens the skin barrier, and enhances its resilience. Use it daily as the first step in your skincare routine, applying 2 to 3 pumps to clean, dry skin. Usability: it's watery, fast-absorbing texture feels refreshing and leaves no residue, making it ideal for morning and evening use. It works seamlessly with other products in your routine. Durability: the sturdy glass bottle and pump dispenser ensure consistent and hygienic application. With regular use, the skin feels softer, smoother, and more hydrated within days. Coming in at number 3 is the SkinCeuticals. The SkinCeuticals Hydrating B5 Gel is a professional-grade serum designed to enhance skin hydration and repair. Formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5, it's a trusted choice among skincare enthusiasts and dermatologists alike. Key features: this serum uses pure hyaluronic acid to replenish hydration and vitamin B5 to support the skin's natural repair process. Its oil-free formula makes it suitable for all skin types, including acne-prone and combination skin. Benefits and usage: it boosts moisture levels, improves skin texture, and leaves a radiant finish. Apply 4 to 5 drops to your face and neck after cleansing and toning, then follow with a moisturizer for optimal hydration. Usability: the gel texture absorbs effortlessly without clogging pores or leaving a greasy feeling. It's perfect for layering under sunscreen and makeup, making it a versatile addition to your skincare routine. Durability: the compact, dropper-style bottle ensures precise application and maintains the serum's efficacy. With daily use, you can expect long-term hydration and smoother skin. Taking our 4th spot is Drunk Elephant. The Drunk Elephant B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum is a powerhouse product that combines hyaluronic acid with provitamin B5 and ceramides to quench dry skin and improve elasticity. It's ideal for anyone seeking a clean beauty option. Key features: this serum is packed with a blend of pineapple ceramide and watermelon rind extract to boost hydration, along with sodium hyaluronate for deep moisturization. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free from essential oils, silicones, and fragrances. Benefits and usage: it helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and uneven texture while promoting a healthy skin barrier. Apply 1 pump to your face and neck daily, morning or night, or mix it with your favorite drunk elephant serum for added benefits. Usability: the lightweight, silky texture absorbs instantly, leaving no sticky residue. It layers beautifully under other products, making it a versatile choice for all skin types. Durability: the innovative airless pump bottle ensures the formula stays fresh and effective. With consistent use, skin feels visibly hydrated and plump within 2 weeks. At number 5, we have Paula's Choice. The Paula's Choice Hyaluronic Acid Booster is a concentrated serum designed to provide intense hydration and plumping benefits. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid and ceramides to restore and protect the skin barrier. Key features: this booster features a blend of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and panthenol, provitamin B5, to deeply hydrate and repair the skin. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula is suitable for all skin types, including oily and sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, enhances elasticity, and soothes dryness. Apply a few drops directly to your skin or mix it with your moisturizer or serum for an extra hydration boost. Usability: the versatile formula integrates seamlessly into your skincare routine and works well with other Paula's Choice products. It's fragrance-free and non-irritating, ensuring a comfortable experience. Durability: the small, dropper-style bottle is travel-friendly and keeps the serum fresh. Noticeable improvements in hydration and skin texture can be seen with consistent use over time. And there you have it, our curated list of the best hyaluronic acid serums to keep your skin hydrated, plump, and glowing. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a luxury pick, these serums cater to all needs and skin types. Remember, hydration is the foundation of healthy skin, and incorporating a hyaluronic acid serum can make all the difference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and skincare tips. See you in the next video.